Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Deuba, it's a German brand, Deuba or Deuba, I don't know how to say it, hydraulic trolley jack. It's a 2-ton capacity, so you can lift 2 tons. Swivel bar set, rubber coating, garage workshop tool lift, 2000 kilograms, so 2 tons is 2000 kilograms. So the lifting height is of 135 to 330 millimeters, and you can do the lifting ton weight of 2 tons or 2000 kilograms, which is probably enough to lift the back. Actually, you probably could lift a full hatchback with this probably, but it's not recommended. You should use 2 out of precaution, one at the front, one at the back, and use jack stands as well. So this is just to lift your car up pretty much. So this would be able to lift the full back end or the front end of your car, and then you can put some jack stands on to support it as well, and then you can work underneath. So say you do an engine oil change or something, that's what you can use. Okay, so this is a large and rotatable support plate. We'll have a look at that. Robust hydraulic unit, 2 firm and 2 steerable casters made of metal. Jack with, it is very heavy by the way guys. So yeah, this cost me £45.95. So the main reason I bought this is because, well, compared to the ones, is because it had no safety issues. From all the reviews I've read, there was no safety issues compared to the ones where the jack just dropped itself, so the car dropped just like that. Like they don't have a smooth where it goes down slowly. It literally dropped like that. I think that was the Sealy one, which is a big brand, which is very shocking for a big brand, especially to say they do a lot of tools. And there's quite a lot, and this one looks pretty cool as well. It's blacked out, so you got wheels and everything, and you got the handles and shit. Let's have a look at it. This is what it comes in. It comes in a big box like this. It's German brand, so it should be good. German brand for your German car, you know what I mean? Wow, that's fucking heavy. But yeah, I feel sorry for whoever had to carry this up for me. It's very heavy. Okay, alright, so this is inside. This is how to use it. Deuba Wagenhub, the trolley jack. Okay, and it's all in German. That's great. Don't tell me it's actually all in German. Wow, that is amazing, guys. How the hell am I going to read this if it's all in German? Bloody idiots. Alright, so there's your jacking point. As you can see, it goes up. It did show on the picture that you get a rubber thing with it to put on there, so it doesn't actually hurt your jacking points, but we'll have a look. Okay, so you got one of the trolley handles here. Oh, this will be the back end. So you'll hold this way, you'll be holding it. I think you twist it to turn it, or you put it up and down. We'll have to figure it out. Let's have a look. And then with the next part here. Yep. Okay, so this is the metal part. Nice, very nice. Slidden in it. It's nice constructed metal, as you can see. Alright. Oh, that's very heavy. So it's a really good thing actually that it is heavy. That means you'll be able to support the weight. So this is actually a handle which goes here, I believe, but it's been packaged, taken off for easier packaging, I guess, or whatever, to fit in the box. I don't know. Oh, it's just a handle. Yeah, that is it's going to be a handle. So just to put down, we're going to have to take these nuts off, so I'm going to need a driver for that, wrench, whatever you call it. So that'll be a handle, but for now we don't really need it. So yeah, this is the jack itself. It is extremely heavy. Oh yeah. So you got the wheels there. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, these wheels move. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. So you can easily move it around. Not bad. Hands are fully dirty now because there's some grease on these, by the way, so they don't seize up while being in storage. So yeah. Oh, okay then. Just come straight off. I think that sits on this. not that. And then where's the lifting plate? Oh, this lifts up. There you go. What the hell is this for then? Right, let me try plug this in. I believe this goes in here, or maybe not. Oh no, that's the end of it, my bad. It's this end that needs to go in first. So I believe it goes in here. Twist it up. Put it in, and then lock it in place. There you go, locked in place. Either this way or that way. I'll put it in that way for now. And then this, you'll hold there. Shove this in there. Push that button in. There you go. And then do you twist this, or I'm pretty sure you pump it. Yeah, that's not making a big, it's not making a big difference right now. So maybe there's stuff we need to set up here. As you can see, there's pins moving about. I'll have to tighten these down or something. So yeah, we'll figure it out anyway. Even though the Germans are not the Germans, the instructions are useless because they're in German. I believe you either twist it, you either lift it or twist it, not too sure. But yeah, that's how you assemble it anyway. It is what it is, we'll figure it out, guys. And yeah, it's very good construction, by the way, guys. So take it back off, push that button in, pull it straight out. This part, you just twist it, get that straight off. Okay. Oh, that's heavy. Yeah, that is lifting it. So yeah, so this is how you lift it. I don't want to lift it too much because it's gonna obviously not lock the box, and I don't know how to put it back down again for now because we'd not looked at any instructions. So yeah, don't know what this is. I guess it sits there, I guess, or something. I don't know, unless this goes on this side. Nope, that's a very bad fit, so it'll be this way. We'll figure it out anyways, guys. I'm gonna make a video on how to use the jack stand anyway. Trolley jack, I mean. And you got a mounting hole there for something else as well. But yeah, at the moment it just looks like we're missing that rubber thing that shows that you get with it, but maybe you have to buy that separate. I don't know. So yeah, extensive. The rubber pad supplied protects your vehicle when lifted and minimizes risk of slipping. We didn't get no rubber pad. So there is a rubber pad that's meant to go in there, but we didn't get one. So might have to contact them and ask for one, because then it prevents this from slipping, as is a rubber pad that sits in there and it's just got a tiny slit in like this, which will go where your thingy jack thing is. So yeah, that's the only thing we're missing, it seems. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Make a video on how to use this soon. Stay tuned and see you guys next time. Goodbye.